Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ugu and today I am a little bit sad but also very happy because I will react to a video that XPeng recently posted on their YouTube channel about the visit of other XPengers to China. And I am a little bit sad because I was invited. I already mentioned this a couple of times in different videos and also in some comments that I was invited by XPeng recently for the celebration of the 1 million car produced in XPeng. And unfortunately, it was in November, and November is, for me, professionally speaking, a very complex month. So I was not able to clean up my house, let's call it like that, and travel for one full week to China to be there with XPeng. But anyway, thank you very much, XPeng. Thank you, Tania, for the complete support that you still provide to me and for the invitation to be there. I promise that next time I will make all the efforts possible to be there with you guys. But there were many other people going to China to be there on the AI days that XPeng made also in November, and then for the celebration of the 1 million car produced on XPeng factories. And I will now show the video of that and then just make a comment on that also. Let's go, let's see it. So this is their new headquarters. This is huge.
Well, yesterday we had a meeting with
Sweden
the executives and Madame Wong, and it was a very nice meeting.
President
She asked,
also of
what
XPeng,
we think about, the function and the car models and everything. She was very interested in what we think about the car, and I asked several questions, what we can and what kind of cars, so on. It was a great experience meeting with her and the other executives.
Well, there's two things that stand out. First of all, there's the scale of the operation here. It's really impressive to see the size of the headquarters, the size of the campus, the size of the factory, and the sheer volume that XPeng is working with. I think that's really cool to see. For me personally, what really stands out about the brand is the positive energy that everybody has.
This is real cool.
The strongest impression was when we visited today the factory. The amount of details and attention to details and the amount of people working and the precision and machines putting in the different parts together. For me, it was just a different experience, and I will remember this, what I saw today, for a long time.
Yeah, what was impressive about this XPeng trip, AI Tech Day, was that meeting Madame Wong was so...
So this was also from the AI Tech Days, as
incredible.
I said.
Not just that, but she really made time to get to know us car consumers and care about the product and the user experience across different regions, which is so cool. So that was an absolute privilege. Another thing was amazing was getting it right in the P7. The next P7 was amazing.
This would be so cool. I am really sad for not being able to be there. Really sad, but...
I think
XPeng has done a very good job on expanding their business and or maybe their AI technology as well, their products to globally, which is I'm quite impressed.
Really cool. So again, this was a very quick video, but let me tell you guys that I am really impressed. I cannot be tired of saying this because I have an XPeng. I'm XPenger for 9 months, and you already saw a lot of videos of me talking about this. But the quantity and so the amount of times that XPeng reaches out to owners and invites them to be together with them in events and in activities to show what they are doing, it amazes me because I don't see many other brands doing this. I already said this once before that I don't know if some other brands are doing this or not, but I have almost 50 years. I drove about 5 or 6 brands of cars. And this is the first time, of course, this is also the first time that I created a channel about XPeng, and I am involved on getting more information about it. But I believe that from seeing videos of other cars, I don't see many people, owners, okay? I am talking about owners. I'm not talking about, of course, I know, guys, I cannot say that I am just a normal owner, because XPeng already sold a couple of hundred cars here in Portugal, and I know that myself and maybe 2-3 more people in Portugal are being invited to some events. And I know that at least one person was invited to the other event that I was on, the IAA from Portugal. And he was not a creator, a YouTube creator or anything like that. So he was just a owner of a car. So it's a mix. I know that probably I am being invited because I do videos, I do share news and feedback, and I help XPeng to reach out to more people. It's clear for me, and I accept that. Probably if I was not doing that, I would be unknown to XPeng, and I was not aware unless I saw videos from someone else doing this. But the reality is that they are doing it, okay? So let's forget the fact that maybe all other brands are doing exactly the same thing. The fact is that XPeng is doing it, and it continues to do it, and it is several times already. I already saw several videos from other YouTubers, from other people, even just comments on some channels like Discord channel, Reddit, and stuff like that. People just commenting that they were invited, they met some people from XPeng to do interviews. They released an X post also saying that they finally met with owners from 7 different countries in Europe where they made interviews. They drove more than 5,000 kilometers together with owners just to get the feeling of us driving their cars, so that they can bring that experience, bring that knowledge at home, and then develop better software for us. And I believe that this is huge. This is very important to us owners, to people that invested money. And you know how an investment in a car is. It's not an investment. We are losing money every single day because the cars lose money. It's amazing. I feel grateful and I feel embraced, as I said many times. So I am really happy about this. Again, a little bit sad because I was not able to be there. And I am sad about that because I was really honored to get the invitation. But unfortunately, it was really not possible to be there. But I am very happy for the other XPengers that were there, that had the pleasure to see the headquarters, to see the factories, to meet these persons inside XPeng, to ask questions. So really happy for them. And that's why I made this video. So I hope that you saw it also. Please leave a comment saying what you feel about these initiatives from XPeng. If you had the opportunity to be invited to something like that, if you would go. And if you think that some other brands are doing this or not, just let me know so that I can get out of this place where I think it's only XPeng doing this and not all the other brands. And that's it, guys. So thank you very much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.